Welcome students. This is fourth part of important MCQs with answers of basic chemistry 22102. It is the course code. Now first question is calculate the chemical equivalent of zinc when copper sulfate and zinc sulfate solutions are electrolyzed in series. The weight of copper and zinc deposited are 6.35 and 6.5 respectively. Given atomic weight of copper, it is 63.5. Now what we have to calculate is chemical equivalent, that means equivalent weight of zinc. Now according to Faraday's second law, E1 upon E2 is equal to W1 upon W2. W1 upon W2, it is given W1 is 6.35 and W2 is 6.5, while atomic weight of copper is given. With the help of atomic weight, first calculate equivalent weight. Equivalent weight is equal to atomic weight upon valency, that means 63.5 upon 2. 2 it is the valency of copper. You will get 31.75. Then put that value in E1 and with the help of this calculate E2. It is 32.5. The technique particularly useful for protection of underground pipelines in industry is called as, it is known as anodic protection. It is used for underground pipelines. On which part of any metal differential aeration type of corrosion will occur? It is occur at least oxygenated part. That means there is difference in oxygen access. In Daniell's cell, the porous partition between two solutions, it is act as a salt bridge between the two solutions. Then several blocks of magnesium are fixed to the bottom of ship to prevent the action of water and salt, and because action of water and salt causes corrosion of ship, therefore magnesium blocks are fixed. Name the type of corrosion in the given situation. Copper sheets joined by iron nails. It is a weight type of corrosion because galvanic cell is developed. Two different metals are in contact with each other. So this is the weight or immerse type of corrosion. When two dissimilar metals are electrically connected, then more active metal becomes anode and get corroded. Then question number 43 is the metal used to coat copper wire to protect it from the attack of sulfur before its insulator. It is the tin. Tin is used in copper wires. Then next question is the electrode connected to the positive terminal of battery in an electrolyte cell. It is act as cathode. It is the answer. Cathode is the electrode which is connected to positive pole of battery. In electro refining of blister copper, the electrolyte used is 5 to 10% H2SO4 and 15% copper sulfate. It is the electrolyte used in electrorefining method. The metal that form an unstable oxide film on its surface, it is gold. It forms unstable oxide film. Gold, silver and platinum, all three form unstable oxide film. The non-rechargeable cells are called as primary cells because secondary cells are rechargeable cells. The electrochemical equivalent is defined as the weight of substance deposited or liberated by passing 1 coulomb of electricity. It is known as electrochemical equivalent. Then name the solid which are hard and brittle. Metallic solids, they are hard and brittle. The weight of substance liberated or deposited by passing 1 Faraday of electricity, it is equal to 1 gram equivalent. Then question number 51 is the electrolyte used for electroplating of iron spoon with silver is potassium argentocyanide. It is the electrolyte used for silver coating. Secondary cells, they are also called as storage cells. Then write the type of potential developed at copper electrode when deep in copper sulfate solution. At copper, oxidation potential is developed. Underground part of buried electric pole undergoes corrosion due to what? It is due to difference in air concentration. That means least oxygenated access is there. Therefore, it get corroded. Galvanized ware cannot be used for storing foodstuffs. Here, tin containers are used for storing foodstuffs. The metal which is commonly used as a coating metal during electroplating of imitation jewelry, it is a silver which is used for coating of imitation jewelry. Then the process due to which water splits up into hydrogen ion and hydroxide ion, it is known as ionization. That means formation of ion from water, H plus and OH minus ion. Then next question is, in the figure A represents, this is A, it represents what? It is molten tin at 232 degrees Celsius. The electrovalent compound are soluble in water as they have what? It is high ionization power because water is universal solvent. The substance which allow electricity to pass through them in liquid state, it is called as electrolyte. In Daniell cell, the cell reactions are oxidation of zinc and reduction of copper. Then next 62 question number, the product obtained at cathode during electrolysis of copper sulfate solution is, it is blister copper. The chemical reaction in the secondary cell is, it is reversible. The electrochemical equivalent of metal is Y gram per coulomb. The equivalent weight of metal is what? It is Y into 96,500 because CE, that is equivalent weight, is equal to 96,500 into ECE, and ECE is Y. Therefore, 96,500 into Y, it is the answer. Which type of corrosion it is? In the diagram, it is crevice type of corrosion because there is gap between metallic structure. This is metallic and this non-metallic structure. There is a gap, therefore it is crevice corrosion. Now next question is, which type of corrosion it is? In the diagram, it is pitting corrosion because pits are formed here. Small anodes are there. Therefore, it is pitting corrosion. Now next question is, team engineer observed interior part is more corroded than exterior. It is which type of corrosion? It is a galvanic cell formation. That means it is immerse type of corrosion. Calculate the equivalent weight of substance if its electrochemical equivalent is 0.001118. Use this formula CE, that is chemical equivalent, is equal to 96,500 into ECE. ECE is given, it is 0.001118 into 96,500, it is 107.8. The aluminum metal corrosion resistant because of formation of oxide film, which type of film is formed in aluminum? It is non-porous film, which is more protective film. Therefore, corrosion of aluminum does not take place. Relation between chemical and electrochemical equivalent is, chemical equivalent is equal to 96,500 into electrochemical equivalent, that is ECE.